Hi, today we're doing meiosis as opposed to mitosis. Cell division, but a very special one. And so today's session, we start off with first marking our attendance. That's lesson 3. I still have waiting for some students to submit the homework sheet 6 from the previous lesson. I've got 13 students and I have reviewed 13 of those. I gave you a mark out of 20, and if you got less than 28, I commented where you lost your mark. So make sure you get that done, or review your understanding. Before you go to I know it's good time to do a quick revision. This is an interesting revision of mitosis, but a little bit different. It also does a bit of insight into what cancer is. It's just mitosis gone wrong. And then the good old Amoeba sisters, I think they do a great job of trying to explain. And this one is a very difficult cell division. It's a little bit more complicated. So we're going to have look at this video as an introduction. Then we're off to lesson 9. So lesson 9, that was a previous video, lesson 9. And here we have another example. Useful one because it cycles through. And we have a diagram. So you might want to download that and follow the task. And finally, going to page 12 and 13, read that and do the 6th question, which includes a table on cell division. And that will complete our work on DNA and cell division. And have a great weekend. You've got all weekend to work on this. We're still in lockdown, especially now that it's raining. There's not much more to do, but hey, watch some videos. Hey, some other good videos too. Cheers.